Hope all are fine at home. Today I am going to start with the second lesson, 9th standard Hindi, second lesson. This is the first lesson. The first was the poem, the first poem. The first lesson पर गद्य भाग एक है गुलाब सिंह. पाठ का नाम है गुलाब सिंह. कवित्री का नाम है इसका. लेखिका का नाम है सुभद्रा कुमारी चौहान. ओके, पाठ का नाम है गुलाब सिंह. सुभद्रा कुमारी चौहान ने के द्वारा लिखा गया है. सो गुलाब सिंह एक ऐसे लड़के की कहानी है जो देशभक्त था, जिसने अपनी जान देश के लिए गंवाई. ओके, सो इस कहानी के द्वारा देशभक्ति, त्याग, बलिदान, भाई बहन का प्रेम, प्रजा की जिम्मेदारियां, कर्तव्य आदि का चित्रण किया गया है. इस पाठ में झंडा स्वतंत्रता के संकेत के रूप में दिखाया गया है. सो इन दिस लेसन यू आर गोइंग टू सी अबाउट द स्मॉल बॉय गुलाब सिंह, a young boy Gulab Singh, who sacrificed his life for the sake of the country. He was a patriotic person. He was he had the feeling, or he had the love for his family. He was the loved one among his family, and he was a very responsible person. He knew his responsibilities as the citizen of his country. What were his rights? What were his responsibility? He knew very well. He fought for the country's freedom, and he sacrificed his life for the sake of the freedom. So here is a small story about Gulab Singh. Listen carefully to the lesson. दिन और तारीख की जरूरत नहीं. जब हम अमर अंत की कहानी कहने वाले हैं, तब एक दिन और एक तारीख को पकड़कर क्यों चलें? There is no matter what is the date or which is the year. We are least bothered about all these things when we are talking about the most important thing, about the sacrifices of our heroes to get the freedom. That is more important. उसके घर में पिता थे. उसके मतलब किसके? गुलाब सिंह के घर में पिता थे, माता थे. He had in his family father, mother, and he had a younger sister. गुलाब सिंह लड़का है, उसके माता पिता थे घर में, और एक छोटी सी बहन थी. उसके घर में पिता थे, माँ थी, और एक गुड़िया सी बहन थी. गुलाब सिंह सारे घर का दुलारा था. दुलारा मतलब लव्ड वन. ओके, ही वाज द मोस्ट लव्ड वन अमंग हिज फैमिली. ही ऑल यूज्ड टू लव हिम. उसकी छोटी सी बहन थी जो हमेशा उसका ख्याल रखती थी. माँ बाप भी उसका ख्याल रखते, पर बहन उससे ज्यादा नजदीक थी. द स्मॉल younger sister was very close to him. एक दिन की बात है. One day, what happened one day? वह बीमार पड़ा. He fell sick. माँ ने उसका खाना बिल्कुल बंद कर दिया था. तो जब हम बीमार होते हैं तो हम जो आमतौर पर खाते हैं, जो यूजुअली खाते हैं, what we eat usually, that we stop eating because we are sick. We will not be able to digest it properly. Our body becomes weak, so we take very light food. But this boy, he wanted to eat something which is very tasty. So what he wanted to eat when he felt sick, no, his mother restricted on his diet, and she said, you cannot eat whatever you want. माँ ने उसका खाना बिल्कुल बंद कर दिया. बिल्कुल मतलब very strictly she said no to whatever he eats. पर उसका बार बार कुछ खाने को मांगना छोटी बहन से ना सहा गया. But this boy, no, he wanted to eat something which is sweet or tasty. He doesn't want to follow the diet. So this sister was saying, now my brother is starving, now he is longing to eat one or the other thing. No, let me give him. She was feeling very sad or very bad about her brother. So she wanted to give something to her brother because he was asking, and he was moreover sick also. छोटी बहन से न सहा गया. She could not tolerate her brother asking for some good food. वह चुपके से गुड़ और चने चुरा लाई. So sister, what she did, she slowly, she without anybody's knowledge, चोरी से, चोरी मतलब चुरा, robbing, she robbed and she brought some good. गुड़ मतलब जैगरी, चने मतलब चना. ओके, ग्राम चना लाई और खिला दिया, और भाई को खिलाया. गुड़ और चने खिलाए. क्या खिलाए? गुड़ और चने. उसके बाद प्रिया का बुखार बढ़ गया, पर वह तो खिला ही चुकी थी। अपने भाई के संतोष के लिए वह माँ बाप का गुस्सा भी सहने को तैयार थी। So after that, his fever even more increased. Okay, there was no this thing. His fever didn't go away after eating that. He became more sick. अपने भाई के संतोष के लिए वह माँ बाप का गुस्सा भी सहने को तैयार थी। Because to see his brother happy, she was ready to face the father and mother's anger also. तो father and mother came to know somehow. माँ बाप को पता चलता है कि इसने बहन ने भाई को ये खिलाया, तो माँ बाप बहुत गुस्सा हुए। They were very angry on the sister, but she was able to tolerate their anger to see her brother happy. पर भाई ने गुड़ चने की बात किसी को न बताई। He did not say anything. धीरे धीरे रोग उतर गया, पर भाई ने के मन पर बहन के प्रेम की छाप पड़ गई। So slowly he became all right. His fever had gone. He was not sick now. He became all right now. धीरे धीरे मतलब slowly. रोग मतलब sickness had gone away. But he could remember how his sister had helped him to give whatever he had asked. Okay, he had asked for something to eat, so his sister did not bother about anybody. She had given her. So that love of his sister he could not forget. So that intimate love he could not forget. His sister's love. ऐसी एक नहीं अनेक बातें बहन की, माँ की, पिता की उसके मन पर छपी थी। So many instances were there in his life where he could not forget the love of his father, mother, या sister. वह कभी उनसे लड़ता झगड़ता, फिर आंखों के आंसू और मन के रंग उसके मन पर छपी इन तस्वीरों को धो न सके। एक दिन ऐसी हवा बही कि मुरझाए हुए दिलों में नई जान आ गई। यह वह हवा उमंगों की हवा थी। बड़ा भारी जुलूस निकलना था, पर बादशाह का हुक्म था कि जुलूस न निकले। शहर में आतंक छा गया। So this is the story about this is the story during the freedom struggle where all the people across the country they were fighting, they were protesting against the Britishers. They used to go in groups, they used to carry the flags and they used to protest against the Britishers. During that time this story has come across. Okay, so what was the thing there? बड़ा भारी जुलूस निकलना था। In their place, in their town or wherever they were living, a very big procession was going to be held. What was that procession? The people were taking the flag. Okay, they were about to take the flag and march against the Britishers. जुलूस मतलब procession. So in that procession, this boy also participated as a leader. He also wanted to take the flag and march in the procession and show their protest against the Britishers. Who? Gulab Singh. Gulab Singh also wanted to take part in that procession of protest for the freedom against the Britishers. शहर में, in the city. So, but the king of that city, okay, during that time there was no democracy rule. Small kings only were ruling the particular part or the area in the city. So, what the king had told, king was in the favor of the Britishers. Okay, बादशाह का हुक्म था, the order of the king was not to take the procession, not to go against the Britishers. He was following the Britishers, but his subjects were not following the Britishers. They said, no, we don't want Britishers to rule us. The people of that area were against the Britishers. But the king was in the hand of the Britishers. So the king said, don't take the procession. But the people, they argued and they were against the Britishers and they wanted to take the procession. So it was, what to say, it was like a fight. So it was a terror in the city. It was like a, what to say, fear. If we take, something will happen. The king's people may come or the Britishers may come and they may kill the people. It was like a terror which was spread across the place. So people were not afraid, but this Gulab Singh also was not afraid. Even he was not afraid. He also wanted to take part in that procession, fight for the country, go along with the other people and take part in the procession. शहर में आतंक छा गया. आतंक मतलब terror, fear was there because they were going against the king. They were going against the Britishers. So those soldiers may come and they may they may fight against them or they may kill them. So that was the condition. So all the people were afraid. There was terror in the country. फिर भी क्या हुआ, लोग डरे नहीं. जो भी जुलूस में भाग लेने वाले थे सभी आगे बढ़कर आ गए. बड़ा आया बादशाह, क्यों न निकले जुलूस, क्यों न निकले हमारा झंडा. भाई ने बहन से कहा. तो भाई और बहन दोनों बात करते हैं. ओके, बादशाह बहुत ही बड़ा. हु इज दिस किंग टू से? इट इज अवर कंट्री. वी हैव द राइट टू protest for our country. We have the right to protect our country. We have the right to protest the Britishers. Who is this king to say? They are talking to each other. बहन बोली. बहन क्या बोलती है? कौन है ये बादशाह? भैया ने कहा हूँ, होगा कोई. बहन ने पूछा क्यों ना निकले जुलूस, क्यों ना निकले झंडा. तो बहन भी क्या थी? यस, इट इज राइट, इट इज अवर कंट्री. वी विल टेक पार्ट इन द प्रोसेशन. वी विल टेक अवर फ्लैग एंड वी विल फाइट अगेंस्ट द Britishers. Even the sister also want to participate. She also wants to go along with her brother and fight against the Britishers. भाई कटु स्वर में बोला, हमारा देश बादशाह का गुलाम जो है. उत्तर था, तब तो जरूर निकले जुलूस, हम जरूर फहराएंगे अपना झंडा. देखते हैं कौन रोकता है. तो what he is telling, गुलाब सिंह, our country is a slave of this king. Okay, the king is a slave of the Britishers. So the king is listening to the Britishers, but we won't listen to anybody. It is our right to fight for our country's freedom. So both of them agreed. Okay, we will take part in the procession. हम जरूर फहराएंगे अपना झंडा. So both of them are saying, no, we will take our national flag. We will hoist our national flag. देखते हैं कौन रोकता है. So the गुलाब सिंह is saying, let us see who will stop us. So दोनों बहुत ही बहादुरी के साथ अपना हक जताते हैं. झंडे की तैयारी होने लगी. तो क्या करते हैं, झंडा तो कहीं दुकानों में नहीं मिलता, तो क्या करते हैं, घर में ही बनाते हैं झंडा. गुलाब सिंह और उसकी बहन दोनों मिलकर झंडा घर में बनाते हैं. बहन ने अपनी पुरानी ओढ़नी फाड़कर झंडा बना लिया. तो बहन क्या करती है, ओढ़नी, ओढ़नी मतलब दुपट्टा. व्हाट यू वेयर नो, गर्ल्स वेयर नो, दैट दुपट्टा they will tear, they will color into different colors, saffron, white and green they will color, and they will make it as the flag, national flag. लाल हरा रंग भी चढ़ गया. Okay, they painted with the red and the green color. भाई ने उसे अपने खेलने के डंडे से बांध लिया. They tied that cloth. It was painted in the color of the national flag. They tied it to the long stick, bamboo stick. झंडा तैयार था. So the flag was ready. Now they have to go out for the procession. अब भाई झंडा लेकर चला. अरे भाई जाते कहाँ हो, हम भी साथ चलेंगे. तो बहन क्या कहती है, Where you are going alone, I will also come along with you. Even the sister also wants to go. बहन भी कहती है तुम अकेले नहीं जाओगे, मैं भी झंडा लेकर मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ चलूंगी. तुम झंडा लेकर आगे चलो, मैं तुम्हारे पीछे चलूंगी. ऐसा कहती है बहन. बहन आग्रह से बोली. आग्रह मतलब रिक्वेस्ट, विनती करती है. पर बहन, तो भाई क्या कहता है, भाई ब्रदर डजंट वांट. गुलाब सिंह नहीं चाहता कि बहन उसे साथ चले, क्योंकि वहां जाना खतरा है. खतरा मतलब टेरर. इट इज नॉट, इट इज व्हाट टू से, people may come and they may fight, so it is not good for her to come. Okay, it is not secure. पर बहन बड़ी दूर जाना है, तुम थक जाओगे. तो भाई क्या कहता है, we have to take the procession for a long distance. We have to go long. We have to walk long and go. You cannot come along with us. You will get tired. He is saying. Brother is consoling the sister not to come. नहीं भैया, नहीं बहन. So both are arguing. No, I will come. She is saying. Sister कहती है, बहन कहती है नहीं मैं आऊंगी. तो भाई कहता है नहीं, तुम नहीं आ सकती, तुम थक जाओगी. थकना मतलब get tired. जुलूस कौन बनाएगा, तुम झंडा उठाना, हम जुलूस बनाकर चलेंगे. So what she is saying, जुलूस कैसे बनेगा. जुलूस मतलब procession. Procession means what, many people, gathering of many people. So she is saying, if you go alone, who will make the procession? People should be there for back of you. So I will be the part of the procession. Seeing me, other people also will come. तो तुम झंडा लेकर आगे चलना, मैं जुलूस के साथ पीछे आऊंगी. नहीं रानी, तुम जुलूस नहीं, तुम एक काम करो, हमें रोली का तिलक लगाकर विदा करो, जैसे राजकुमारी अपने भाई राजकुमार को विदा करती है. So but here Gulab Singh consoles her sister. So you don't come in the procession. You do one thing. Okay, you मुझे, विदा करो मुझे। जैसे राजकुमार अपनी बहन को, राजकुमारी अपनी बहन को, भाई को विदा करती हैं जब कोई किस पे जंग पे जाते हैं तो उनकी आरती करते हैं, तिलक करते हैं। So you bid me farewell from here only. You wish me best of luck from here only. You bring the aarti. Hindus and all, whenever they are going for good cause, they are going to do some good work, some work of bravery they are going to do. They will wish them best of luck. How? By doing some aarti and all, or putting some tilak and all on their forehead. They will send the people like that, so that they can do their best wherever they are going. So he says, you don't come along with me. तुम मेरी आरती करो, जाके आरती की थाल ले आओ, मेरे माथे पर तिलक लगाओ, मेरी आरती करो, मेरी शुभकामना करो और मुझे भेजो। तो ऐसा कहता है भाई, गुलाब सिंह कहता है बहन, तो बहन खुश हो जाती है। ओके, मैं ऐसा करूंगी, घर बैठे ही तुम्हें शुभकामनाएं दूंगी, तुम्हारी आरती करूंगी, तुम्हें तिलक लगाऊंगी, ऐसा कहती है बहन। बहन ने खुशी की किलकारी के साथ ताली बजाई और दौड़कर थोड़ी सी रोली, थोड़े से चावल सजा लाई। तो बहन खुश होती है, ऐसा भाई कहने पर बहन खुश होती है और अंदर जाकर क्या करती है, थाली लेके आती है। थाली में क्या रहता है, थाली में थोड़े चावल रहते हैं, थोड़ा रोली, रोली मतलब कुमकुम, दैट रेड कलर पाउडर व्हाट यू यूज फॉर तिलक टू पुट ऑन द फोरहेड, दैट इज रोली। थोड़े से चावल सजा लाई। थाली में दिया भी जल रहा था, दिया मतलब लैम्प वाज देयर इन द प्लेट व्हिच शी इज होल्डिंग। भाई की आरती उतारनी थी, सो शी डज द आरती ऑफ हर ब्रदर। मुंह के चारों तरफ घूमती थाली एक आभा मंडल बनाने लगी। सो शी एज शी वाज होल्डिंग दैट थाली ओवर द फेस ऑफ हर brother, the glow of the brother's face she could see as though he is a real hero going to fight. That glow of the gods, what we can see, when you are seeing in the temples and all, that glow she could see on her brother's face. आभा मतलब that shine. उसने देवी देवताओं के चित्रों में भी वैसा ही आभा मंडल देखा था। भाई के चारों तरफ वैसा ही आभा मंडल देखकर वह बहुत खुश हुई। So she is comparing her brother with the gods. Okay, so she was very happy to see the glow, that same glow, the godly glow on her brother's face. So बहन खुश होती है, बहन नहीं जाती, बहन भाई की आरती करती है। वहीं पर बहन ने भाई के माथे पर तिलक लगाया। क्या करती है बहन, रोली लेकर तिलक लगाती है। चावल पिटवाए, she put some rice grains on the head of the brother. तब भाई ने बहन के पैर छुए। So the brother goes down to touch the feet of her sister और विदाली मतलब he says goodbye to her sister. बहन ने भाई के सिर पर हाथ फेरा और बनाने आनी। सो हाथ फेरा, सिर पर हाथ फेरा, बहन क्या करती है, उसके सिर पर हाथ फेर कर उसे आशीर्वाद देती है, शुभकामनाएं देती है कि वो जो भी जिसके लिए भी जा रहा है उसका काम सफल हो। So she wishes all the best for her brother for whatever work he is going to do. तो नेक्स्ट क्या है फिर, अब वह झंडा लेकर चला। बहन दरवाजे पर खड़ी देखती रह गई। कहानियों की राजकुमारी इसी तरह विदा देती है। वह झंडे को लहराते हुए ले जाते भाई को दूर तक देखती है। So the sister stands there only. Okay, she could see her brother going very far. Okay, till far, till wherever she could see her brother, she was standing and seeing at the door. विदा देती है, विदा देना मतलब saying goodbye. लहराते हुए झंडे को, लहराना मतलब क्या, the flag which is waving in the air. कुछ दूर जाने पर बादशाह के सिपाहियों ने झंडे वाले को रोका। So when he goes little far, who came there to stop him? The soldiers of the king, the king's soldiers came to stop him. वह उन्होंने रोका, वह न रुका, he could not, but Gulab Singh did not stop. He wanted to fight for his country. He wanted to take the procession. He wants to show his flag. He wants to get his freedom. So he did not stop. बादशाह के सिपाहियों ने गोली चला दी। तो to stop him, what soldiers did? They shot at him. Okay, with their guns. गोली चलाना मतलब shooting at him. वह गिरा, झंडा न गिरा। Though he fell down, he did not allow the flag to touch the ground. He held the flag in his hand straight. वह उसके हाथ में था. The flag was in his hand straight. गोली चलते थे, कोई उसके पास न गया. So the people who were there along with him, they were afraid. So if we go near to him to help him, maybe they will shoot us also. So they had that fear that we may also get killed. So because of that, no people went near that boy. कोई भी उसके पास नहीं गया. जो भी जुलूस में लोग थे, आतंक के डर से या डर की वजह से उस गुलाब सिंह को बचाने के लिए कोई भी उसके पास नहीं गया. गुलाब सिंह नीचे गिरा. बहन ने भाई को गिरते देखा, वह दौड़ पड़ी. भाई खून से लथपथ पड़ा था. वह पुकारती रही, भैया भैया. तो बहन को सुनाई दी ये सब आवाज, ये सब देखती रही बहन बहुत दूर से. तो क्या करती है बहन, दौड़ पड़ती है भाई को बचाने के लिए. भैया भैया कहकर उसके पीछे चली जाती है. तो शी इज शाउटिंग फॉर हर ब्रदर एंड शी गोज अवे एज शी हियर्स दैट शूटिंग साउंड. भाई के प्राण मानो यह अमृतवाणी सुनकर लौट पड़े. सो ही केम इनटू कॉन्शियस व्हेन ही हर्ड हिज सिस्टर्स वॉइस. वह बोला तू आ गई, यह झंडा ले. So he is very much assured now. Now my sister will take the procession. So he is handing over the flag to his sister. So भाई खुश होता है बहन को देखकर. तो क्या कहता है, मैं जा रहा हूँ, मुझे मेरी परवाह नहीं है, पर तू ये झंडा ले और झंडा लेकर क्या कर, तू अपना जुलूस आगे बढ़ा. तो क्या कहता है, तू आ गई, यह झंडा ले. Take this flag. Lest it fall down. It should not fall down. Okay, you take this flag and you carry on the procession. He is very much happy to see his sister. बहन ने झंडा थाम लिया, भाई चला गया. तो sister takes the charge of that. She takes the what to say that flag. Okay, भाई चला गया मतलब मर जाता है. भाई मर जाता है. तो he is dead now. Brother is dead. He is no more. बहुत रोई तो बहन भाई को देखकर बहुत रोती है, पर झंडा हाथ में उठाए रही. मगर झंडा अपने हाथ में उठाए रखती है. ओके, बादशाह के सिपाही मानो गढ़ जीत कर चले गए. Soldiers as though they have won or they have defeated some big king, they have won some fort like that. They considered, they thought, and they went away after killing this boy. लोग भागे आए. All the people they came after the soldiers went home. All the people came to see this boy. Okay, उन्होंने भाई के देह को उठाया. The people caught hold of the body of the, they lifted the body of that गुलाब सिंह. आगे आगे झंडा लिए बहन चलने लगी. So the sister, she took the flag and she was going forward, and the other people they took the body of गुलाब सिंह and they were following her. बादशाह का हुक्म था, जुलूस नहीं निकलेगा. जुलूस निकला. झंडा नहीं निकलेगा. झंडा निकला और बड़ी शान से निकला. यह बालक था गुलाब सिंह, जो अपनी सुगंध बिखेर कर चला गया. सो दैट वाज द सैक्रिफाइस ऑफ गुलाब सिंह, who went against the order of the king. The king said not to take the procession, but the procession came out. He said not to take out the national flag, but the national flag was wavering in the air. Okay, so that was the boy Gulab Singh, who was very brave. He came out to fight for his country and he spread his fragrance of his patriotism everywhere to ignite the people to fight after him for the sake of the country. So that was the sacrificing nature and the responsible citizen of the country, that is the Gulab Singh. Hope so you have understood the lesson. The previous poem Jai Jai Bharat Mata, the first stanza I had told you all to learn and practice, that is for memorization. Hope so you all have learned that poem. The notes I will be giving you, I will be uploading the notes and will be sending you on the YouTube. Please take down the notes, and as far as possible it is our humble request, when you are writing the notes, write in the new books, and you have to come, you have to do your admissions and take the new books. Books are available. Office is open from 9 o'clock to 1:30 p.m. So register your name, do your admission, take the books and start writing the notes. Be up to date in your studies. Thank you very much.